Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Nintendo Switch controllers. First, ensure your console is powered on and you are on the home menu. For Joy-Cons, simply slide them onto the side rails of the console until you hear a click. This automatically registers them. For Pro Controller, you'll use a different, equally straightforward method. We will cover both the physical attachment for Joy-Cons and the wireless sync process for other controllers, ensuring you can connect any compatible device with ease. Connecting your Joy-Cons is incredibly simple and intuitive. Just align the rail on the side of each Joy-Con with the corresponding rail on your Nintendo Switch console. Gently slide them downwards until you hear a clear, audible click. This sound confirms they are securely attached and automatically paired. The console will then recognize them as the primary input devices, ready for immediate gameplay. This method ensures a stable and reliable connection every time you want to play in handheld mode. To wirelessly pair a Nintendo Switch Pro controller, start by going to the home menu on your console. From there, select the controller's icon, which looks like two Joy-Cons. Then, choose Change Grip/Order. On your Pro controller, locate the small, circular sync button, usually found on the top edge near the USB-C port. Press and hold this button for a few seconds until the player indicator lights on the bottom begin to flash. The console will then detect and pair with your controller. For a wired connection with your Pro controller, first ensure your Nintendo Switch is in its dock. Then, connect the Pro controller to the dock using a USB-C cable. You might also need to enable Pro Controller wired communication in the console system settings under Controllers and Sensors. This method not only provides a stable, lag-free connection, but also charges your controller simultaneously. It's an excellent option for competitive play or when your controller's battery is low, offering a reliable link.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.